What's going on YouTube? I'm gonna do a quick, different type of video today. It's your boy Stan JB. Now, I've been using my old Corsair Strafe, it was like the red keyboard, for about 6 years, something like that. But recently, after seeing a bunch of stuff on this online, I decided I really wanted to check out Logitech's MX Mechanical Mini. So, couple of things. This is the first time I actually made a TKL keyboard. Now what that means is there's no 10 key for those who are not super nerdy as I am. But also, I've been used to mechanical keyboards, but I wanted something a little bit more low profile. I've always had a thing against wireless keyboards, even though I love wireless mice and everything, but this is my first one. And let's talk about the things I've noticed and things I like. First and foremost, the build. It's pretty lightweight, but it feels sturdy. I love the way it looks. It's a nice clean design. I don't know if this is aluminum. Looks like this aluminum plastic mixture. All in all, it doesn't feel as hefty as I would like, but definitely solid. Now the keys, very nice and clicky. Love how they feel. The thing I like about this also is, unlike my previous gaming keyboard, this has a more linear switches. It's quieter, and the reason I went that way is because I don't game as much as I used to. I still game, but not so much keyboard and mouse. A lot of these games haven't been optimized for a controller, and I've been using the Fusion Pro, as you can see in my video from a couple of months ago. And that's why I like this. It's quieter, but it still has that mechanical keyboard feel. Now, I've done a little bit of gaming with this one, and although it's not ideal, it's pretty fine. For more casual gaming, you're not going to have any trouble. If you're playing League of Legends, you're not going to have any trouble. Honestly, if you're playing like Fortnite or any shooters, you're not going to really have big issues. But you know, gamers, we love those super clicky, really exuberant gaming keyboards. I'm getting away from that personally and going a little more minimal. Plus, it doesn't have RGB. It can't be a gaming keyboard if it doesn't have RGB. That's just the way it works, right? But keyboard, nice travel. It's not super deep, but deep enough. But it's quiet, smooth. It's all around great build quality. I haven't had anything to complain about. See on the bottom, they have these little legs right here. If you want to have it slightly raised, if you want it as low as possible, you do it this way. I don't like it being extraordinarily flat. I like a little bit of raised, just for the way I sit down on my keyboard when I'm typing and writing everything. So on that, really good. Love it. Now, my number one feature is the fact that you can connect up to 3 different devices. So currently this is connected to my gaming desktop, but I also have it connected to my iPad for those times where I may have my iPad in front of me and I want to quickly type something up, or when I'm taking a class, doing a little bit of research, anything. It's super simple and easy to switch really quickly using these keys here. So the second one is when it attaches to my iPad. Number 1 is my desktop. I haven't set anything for number 3 yet because I don't have anything I feel I need to. Now, the top row, the function keys are also really good. You have your brightness setting for the backlit keyboard. I'm going to get into more detail about the backlit keyboard. You have your dictation button, a quick emoji button, which I think is awesome. Twitter on Windows, it's harder to get to the emojis in my opinion, but using this, I've always found it super simple. There is also a quick screen capture, mute your mic, search function, which I find myself using a lot, playback controls, volume mute, volume down, volume up, and so on. Now, obviously, this is compatible with both Mac and Windows, as you have your start button / whatever the hell Mac calls it, as well as your Alt and Command button. So, really, really cool, really versatile, and that's why I've been really digging this. Now, battery life seems to be, as of now, amazing. I've had this for maybe 4 days to a week, and when I check it, it still says 100%. Don't know how accurate that is, but I'm just gonna take it at its word and say it's been fantastic. battery life doesn't seem to be any concern. They say you're supposed to get, I believe, 2 months of battery before you have to charge it up again. That's fine because it comes with a USB-C cable, so you can charge it overnight or charge it while you're working. So let me just stick that back there. No issues when it comes to battery life on that. Let's see, what else is there on this guy? Well, back to the backlit keyboards. Now, one thing about the backlit keyboard that's really cool, but I personally don't like, is the fact that they are sensor-based. So as you'll notice, as I move away from my computer or my keyboard, the backlighting goes off. But as you see, when I hover my finger, it illuminates again. That's a really great way of saving battery life. I'm a weirdo and I would love an option to have it stay persistently on, just cause. But I understand the idea behind it, and it works super well. There's not a long wait before that keyboard lights up. You can even cycle through different keyboard options of how you want the lighting to be. Let's see, I can't remember which button to press. Function, boom. You can have your contrast. You could do a breathing style backlighting. You can do waves, so when you press the button, it kind of waves. You can do a reaction-based one, which just lights up what you press. I find that to be useless. There's a random one, which just kind of cycles through whatever buttons it wants to. And obviously static, where it just stays there until you move your hand away, and then it goes down. That's the one I have it on right now. I usually cycle between static and contrast. There's not too much of a difference, in my opinion, but I could just be missing something. But so far, this has just been my first impressions. I've been enjoying using this keyboard for the last week. I'm very happy I bought it. I love the quietness. I love the build. It looks clean. It actually matches my desk very well. Everything about this so far is good. I haven't found any complaints yet, other than the fact that I don't have a way of making it stay backlit. At the end of the day, that saves my battery. So can I really complain? Anyway, I got this at Best Buy for $150. You can get it there, or I believe you can get it from Logitech's website. Logitech has made some of my favorite peripherals. I have this keyboard and I've been using this mouse for I don't even know how long. They've been working fantastic for me. So that's my quick preview. I might do a more in-depth review on it, but hey, it's a keyboard. There's not much to say. If you're looking for something small, lightweight, doesn't take up a lot of space, but looks really nice, give this guy a shot. $150. Can't really go wrong. Logitech makes a quality product. This isn't sponsored by them by any means, but I'm a big fan of the company. So this was my choice for switching out my keyboard, and honestly, I think I made a good one. Anyway, let me know what you guys think. Let me know what keyboards you guys have tried out. Do you like the Keychron's more? I haven't had a chance to try them out, but hey, drop some comments, hit me up, do whatever you want, like and subscribe. Thanks for letting me talk about this tech stuff, and I'll catch you on the next one. Peace.